Mechanical engineering, one of the most complex and flexible engineering disciplines, is the study of structures and systems in motion. As such, nearly every aspect of modern life, including the human body, a highly complex machine, is touched by the field of mechanical engineering. A mechanical engineer's job is to take a product to the marketplace from a concept. To do this, the mechanical engineer must be able to assess the forces and thermal environment that will be faced by a model, its components or its subsystems, design them for performance, aesthetics, and durability, and identify the best manufacturing method that will ensure operation without failure. In a wide variety of industries, including automotive, aerospace, biotechnology, computers, communications, microelectromechanical systems, energy conversion, robotics and automation, and manufacturing, mechanical engineers play an important part. A mechanical engineering education empowers students with innovative thinking skills to design an exciting product or system, regardless of the unique direction they foresee for themselves, analytical tools to achieve their design goals, the ability to transcend all constraints, and the teamwork necessary to design, market, and manufacture a system. Usually, mechanical engineers are engaged in the generation, distribution, and use of energy, in the processing of materials, in the control and automation of production systems, in the design and construction of machinery, and in solving environmental problems. Some other main tasks related to practicing mechanical engineers are research, production testing, operations, marketing, and administration. Personal ingenuity, range of experience, and versatility define mechanical engineers. Multidisciplinary team members are both important and convenient. Mechanics, energy transfer and conversion, design and production, and engineering sciences are the technical subject areas that form the key basis for their work. They solve important problems to improve the quality of life through the clever use of research, modeling design, and synthesis. Mechanical engineers work together with teams responsible for the production of a wide variety of goods and structures, including space shuttle vehicles, aircraft of all sizes and shapes, cars, generators, pumps, power plants, and factories, for example. The presence of a mechanical engineer has helped almost every system or method you might think of. Everyday comforts such as cooling, microwave cooking, reproduction of high-fidelity sound, transport, connectivity, and copying are mostly affordable because mechanical and other engineers work together to make it possible. Mechanical engineering is concerned with the design, manufacture, and operation of components, devices, or systems such as heat exchangers, refrigerators, ventilation systems, manufacturing technologies that include use of lasers, precision machinery and nanotechnology, biomedical devices, automobiles, airplanes and other vehicles, robotics, mechatronics and electronic control of machinery, predictive maintenance and reliability technologies, modeling of machinery and systems using virtual reality. Throughout the life of an engineer, essential skills plays a crucial and significant role. For mechanical engineers, below are some of the basic mechanical skills. A mechanical engineering should have unique hard skills, including a good knowledge of industry requirements and computer comfort, as a lot of time is spent on designing, simulating, and testing. Moreover, soft skills such as good critical thinking and communication skills should be accessible to mechanical engineers. Problem solving. Using mechanical or thermal instruments, a large part of the work of mechanical engineer is solving problems. Good critical thinkers ought to be mechanical engineers who are able to solve issues brought to them by clients or employers. Creativity. The development and design of products, ranging from batteries to electric generators to medical devices, incorporates mechanical engineering. Inventing products involves a lot of creativity. Communication skills. Often, a product for a client is designed by mechanical engineers. To individuals who are not familiar with mechanical engineering, they seem to have to explain complex machines or devices. They have to be able to clearly and accurately articulate their thoughts, and this requires good communication skills. Teamwork. Plenty of teamwork involved in mechanical engineering. To invent innovations and solve problems, engineers frequently work in groups. They might work with people such as computer scientists or architects who are not mechanical engineers. They therefore should be able to collaborate to solve issues with a diverse team of people. Math skills. To solve the problems, mechanical engineers must also be skilled in mathematics. In mechanical engineering, the math skills required include calculus and statistics. To evaluate issues and design strategies, they need to be able to apply these abilities. We would not have stuff like motors, engines, elevators, or even air conditioning without mechanical engineering. Though we might not even know it, we most probably use something every day that has been mechanically engineered. In manufactured technologies, mechanical engineering plays a major role, from automobiles to aircraft to refrigerators, as it introduces helpful technologies to our modern world. It helps you to do several everyday tasks with ease. It is one of engineering's most significant subdivisions, and without it, many of the innovations we use every day will not be available. In terms of power, energy, and motion, mechanical engineering produces and constructs mechanical structures for all human beings. Through maximizing and increasing efficiency, it prevents unnecessary use of resources, builds things that make the planet a safer place to live, decreases human effort, and makes it easier to work. It is indeed keeping mechanical technology getting better and better. The future will bring us many more surprises and encourage us to create a more modern society. It's going to bring global progress, and our planet is going to be much more advanced than it is right now.
Like maybe building a rocket or fighting a mummy or climbing up the Eiffel Tower, discovering something that doesn't exist or giving a monkey a shower.